Ahoy, it's Alicia from Time to Travel and I am on board Scarlet Lady. Today I have a gorgeous suite for you. This is cabin 15275 Zulu. So it is a mega rock star cabin. I'll explain some of the features to you as we go through. Come on in. So this cabin is actually very, very similar to a Brilliant Suite, which is a regular Rockstar cabin. The only difference with this Mega Rockstar cabin really is your access to the spa. You have the unlimited bar setup that just keeps getting replenished, whereas on a Brilliant Suite, it just has one set of bar. But if you want to check out my Brilliant Suite tour, just click up here. So first up, you have your full-length mirror. This is your get ready, your vanity area. They have these great heat protected mats so that you don't burn the tables or the bench tops. And this is the first sailing that I've seen them on. Now we take a look in here, your hair dryer. Now if you just take a look behind you, here is the storage. It's a 4-berth cabin. You can see 4 life jackets here. A little less storage than you see in some of the other Mega Rockstar suites, but this is the lowest category in the Mega Rockstar. You've got a couple of drawers down below. For 4 people, I personally don't think it's enough storage, but you can make it work, right? Here's that bar setup I talked about. Unlimited bar. Great glassware here. Do remember to keep it inside your room. You will get in trouble. You've got your 2 other drawers here. Every suite does have a turntable so you can listen to some vinyl. We got the Spice Girls again. We got all the faves. I haven't seen that one though, Pharrell. That is a new one. Just behind here, you do have 2 USBs, 1 US and 1 European outlet. In the bar, you do have all the bar making paraphernalia, and then you have 3 drawers down here and your refrigerator, as well as your mixers. Now on day 1 of your cruise, you may be able to sub out some of the alcohol. Perhaps you don't drink Jack Daniels, you prefer to have another vodka. That is subject to availability and always subject to change. The couch over here, that is what converts into a double bed. So that's where your 3rd and 4th sailor will be staying. And then you have your bed. Now this is a bugbear of mine. It has been fixed on Resilient Lady, but see these sharp corners? I can guarantee your shin will make contact with that at least once on a sailing. On Resilient, when they did the beds, they actually made them curved, so you don't do it. So I was hoping this might be something that they would have corrected in dry dock, because Scarlet came out of dry dock not too long ago, but we still have it. There is under bed storage, which is the same in the other Mega Rockstars. You can take a look under there. You can fit full suitcases as well as rollerboards. At the bedside, you have 2 USBs and 1 US outlet. And then on the other side of the bed, you actually have the drawers, which can be handy for storage. Same outlets on the other side, as well as your tablet. And your tablet is going to control the lights in your room, music, vibe, curtains, you name it. Now this is one of my favorite bathrooms as well. It has the peekaboo, and it has that really long shower that I do love. You've got the rain head overhead and the handheld. You've also got a seat there if it's just been a really tough day and you need to relax. You've got the single basin, storage below, storage up top on the ledge, your rockstar robe, and it does say Scarlet on the front. And then your bathroom in there. The great thing about Virgin is they do give you makeup towels, so you can go to town, stain them, do whatever. And then let me take you for a tour in the outside area. I really like this size cabin. As I said, it's the same as a Brilliant Suite. It just has that extra space that you need. One hammock to share between 4 of you potentially. You do have a shower on this one, which is what you don't have on a Brilliant Suite. And tables and chairs, sun lounges, nice and deep balcony. Your balcony in a Brilliant Suite will just be a little bit shorter, like less wide. And that is our tour of the gorgeous suite on board Scarlet Lady. If you want to check out some more of our suites and cabin tours on board, just click here. Thank you so much for watching and happy cruising.